yourselves to witness the competitive spirit in its purest form. Happy cheer sports. No cheers, no friendly competition, just silence. That's a world without passion, without teamwork, and without the lessons we learn on the field.
A very good morning to all. Today, we celebrate everything that sports bring into our lives, from hard work and discipline to strategy and resilience. Values that are not just the spirit of sport, but the bedrock of our armed forces.
We are all gathered here today for the annual event that is going to fill every one of us with heaps of power, self-confidence, and of course, the winning spirit. It is an opportunity to showcase the talents of our flourishing students in non-academic fields as well. So prepare yourselves to witness the competitive spirit in its purest form. Happy cheers, the joys of winning, and the pride of giving our best. Respected dignitaries, teachers, and our lovely spectators, welcome to APS Kanpur's annual Sports Day.
Wait a minute, aren't you forgetting something?
Is it your birthday today?
Well, no, it's not my birthday, but it's the birthday of our beloved Chacha Nehru. Today is the only day when parents can't say no to their kids.
Well, they still can, but they will feel a little guilty about it. So, happy Children's Day to all the wonderful students and to the inner child that lives within each of us.
With that, we are profusely overjoyed to welcome our chief guest of the day, someone whose intellect and accomplishments have left an incredible mark on the society. He is a marvel in our brave armed forces. It's our pleasure to welcome Brigadier Shabarul Hassan, Sena Medal, Commander, 7 Infantry Brigade, Station Commander, Kanpur Cant, President Cant Board, and Chairman APS Kanpur. Sir, you are a national treasure and a living testament to what hard work and determination can achieve.
We'd also like to extend a heartfelt welcome to our guest of honor, Mrs. Saida Hassan, Chairperson FWO, for gracing this occasion with your presence. Your presence has truly made this event memorable for all our students.
It's our pleasure to welcome Deputy Commander Colonel Pratik Pratap Johari. Sir, thank you so much for gracing this occasion. We are also honored to welcome Colonel B.S. Bhakuni, SO School. Sir, thank you so much for celebrating the spirit of sportsmanship with us today.
A warm welcome to Colonel and Mrs. Ranjan Kumar Singh, CO 4 Assam, Colonel and Mrs. Utsav, CO 8 Rajriv, and Colonel and Mrs. Raghuvinder, CO 12 Sikli, to our annual event. Your dedication and service to our nation truly holds a profound inspiration on us all.
We are also honored to welcome Colonel and Mrs. Sandeep Sharma, Adam Commander, Station Headquarters, Kanpur. Sir, thank you so much for gracing this occasion.
We would also like to welcome Lieutenant Colonel and Mrs. Vishal Phuria, GEMES, Kanpur Cant. Thank you for joining us today, sir.
A very warm welcome to all our distinguished guests. Your presence here fills all of us with pride and inspiration.
A father's care goes higher than the mountains, and a mother's love is deeper than the sea. With that being said, I would like to welcome all the wonderful parents and thank you all for your everlasting support and encouragement.
Every cheer and every applause counts today. So spectators, let's keep those applauses rolling as we cheer on for each participant today.
Beyond the medals and finish lines, today we are here not just to celebrate the speed of the feet, but the tenacity of spirit. Not just the height of a jump, but the courage to try again.
Today, the only currency is effort, and the richest reward is a shared victory. Sports teaches us character. It teaches us to know what it feels like to win and lose. It teaches us about life.
To all the participants, lace up your shoes and ignite your flame, for today we celebrate the power of the game as we trade our textbooks for track shoes and our whiteboards for wide open fields. Without further ado, let's begin Funathon 2025. The air is electric, the track is ready, and our competitors are all fired up. For we have reached that point where we can officially commence with today's event. Thus, I would request our chairman sir to kindly give us the permission to begin with our event.
Thank you, sir. Like a blank canvas, today is full of possibilities. Let's create a masterpiece together.
We'll commence this event by the lighting of the ceremonial torch. Thus, I request our chief guest and guest of honor to kindly hand over the torch to the first torch bearer, symbolizing the official start of the games, unity, peace, and the continuation of a tradition.
Sir, look it.
Brightening torch will now be passed on to our school's national level football champion, Arpit Mishra, who embodies and shines the true spirit of passion and sportsmanship in his every game.
The chance of taking over the torch is national level basketball victor Navya Sahu, who symbolizes discipline and dedication.
The brightening torch is finally handed over to the last torch bearer, our school's handball and basketball champion, Rishabh, who has represented our school up to the national level, symbolizing coordination and determination.
Spectators, as these bearers run across the field, they showcase our school's discipline and dedication on the field. As they move, their movement is a testament which defines our school and every movement. As they hold the flaming torch, they showcase our young youth building towards an enlightened future.
Look at this. Ma'am. Sir, Abhi. Sir, are you close? Yes. Thank you, sir.
सर आप और आगे